The BEZIA Induction Cookware Set 13 pieces offers a smart option for any kitchen. This set comes with many pieces. It includes pots and pans of different sizes. They are non-stick, so food slides right off. Cooking bacon becomes a breeze. Cleaning up is also easy. The detachable handle is a neat feature. It makes storage simple and saves space. This BEZIA Induction Cookware Set 13 pieces is great for small kitchens or RVs. People who love to cook will find this set useful. This BEZIA Induction Cookware Set 13 pieces is designed with convenience in mind. The removable handle lets you easily move pots and pans. You can go from stovetop to oven without needing extra handles. This makes cooking different things simpler. The non-stick surface helps prevent food from sticking. You can easily flip pancakes or eggs. This set is also oven safe. It gives you more cooking choices. The stackable design helps reduce clutter. This BEZIA Induction Cookware Set 13 pieces is a practical choice for many home cooks. While some cookware can wear out quickly, this set seems durable. The non-stick coating helps prevent scratches. The detachable handle feels secure when attached. It gives you a good grip. This BEZIA Induction Cookware Set 13 pieces is a solid set for everyday cooking. It might not be for very fancy crafts in the kitchen. However, for most cooking settings, it works well. It's a good value for the price. Pros: non-stick, detachable handle, stackable, oven safe, induction ready. Space saving, easy. Storage, healthy coating, durable, easy to clean. Cons: boiling pot could be bigger, negative reviews. Chemical smell, durability issues reported, small chip in coating. Minimal use. Bad chemical smell when cooking, only 2 small pot caps, lids arrived dented. Minor: non-stick may not last long, may not suit high heat cooking, aluminum material. Durability: detachable handle might loosen, need to attach detach handle features. Induction Cookware Set 13 pieces included: non-stick surface, pots and pans set, detachable handle, removable handle, stackable design, RV cookware, for campers, oven safe. This BEZIA Cookware Set has 13 pieces, including pots and pans with a non-stick surface, which means food won't stick easily. A cool feature is the detachable handle. You can take it off. This makes the pots and pans easy to stack and store, which is great if you have a small kitchen or an RV. Plus, you can even put them in the oven without the handle. This set is also made for induction cooktops, which are a type of stove. This BEZIA 13-piece non-stick cookware set is designed to save space with its stackable design and detachable handle, making it good for small kitchens or RVs. It works on induction cooktops and can also go in the oven. Without the handle, the set has a non-stick coating that is advertised as healthy and easy to clean. However, some users have reported a chemical smell, concerns about how long the non-stick coating will last, and potential issues with the handle loosening. One user wished the boiling pot was bigger, and a few mentioned receiving items with minor damage like dented lids or a small chip. The set is made of aluminum, which raises questions about its long-term durability, and the need to constantly attach and detach the handle might be inconvenient for some.